I'm Dr. Alaa, a GP dentist with master's degree in Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery at Adam and Eve Specialized Medical Center, Abu Dhabi. Our number one priority here at our dental department is to take care of your oral health, beautiful smile, and overall well-being. Aside from cosmetic fillings, teeth whitening, root canal treatment, and periodontal treatments, movable and fixed prostheses, we offer an array of minor and major surgeries including simple and surgical extractions, cyst and benign tumors removal, oro-antral fistula closure, biopsy taking, bone grafting, space infection drainage, soft tissue laceration repair, and pterygomandibular joint disorder and pain control using conservative methods up to arthrosynthesis. We at Adam and Eve will give you that healthy and beautiful smile that you deserve. You are so special, and that costs exceptional care. Visit our clinic and have a great and long-lasting dental experience.